Corbett Storick, CRS Contracting. And what I would like to do is build a nice little monitor stand here. So I thought I'd walk you through the process of how I'm going to do that. Some measurements. We have about 8.5 inches. 8.5 inches. And we get 39 inches. Now that we're down in the shop, I have this wonderful leftover piece of mahogany. So I'm going to pull from one side here, 40 inches. Then pull from the other side, 40 inches. Make a little mark. Speed square. Make a nice little line. Find the second mark. Ready to go to our chop saw station and make our cut. Now let's go over to the table saw. All right, now we have our boards cut to length and ripped to width. So what we'd like to do now is glue them up. So the first thing we're gonna do is protect our workbench with some paper. It's gonna go ahead and protect our surface. Then we're gonna lay out our clamps. So there they are, more or less lined up. 2 pieces of wood, do a little dry fit, and that looks perfect. I'm gonna use some Titebond Ultimate interior exterior, even though this is only an interior project. Number 1 tool for spreading glue is a good old fashioned finger wipe off your fingers. All right, first board, second board, crank away. Get that second one, then tighten them all up one more time. Now that one's good. We're going to mark our holes for our legs and pre-drill and then attach. Let's go get her installed. Level both directions. Now let's put the desk back together. As you can see, I have my desk now set up and the wire system works perfectly. The monitors are at the correct height and it's just an incredible improvement from what it was before. Very simple project, but a very vast improvement.